Alright, here we come to the elevators at the Stevens office building in Raleigh, North Carolina, and look what I just found here. It's a vintage Dover from the 1970s with your black button, white halo fixtures. This is awesome. Got a 1970s Dover. Right, here it is. Despite that fan that I just heard earlier ago, you can still hear the motor a bit. Dover nameplate. Go to 3. Kind of hear it a little bit. Let's go to 1. I love this old vintage piece of beauty. Wow, this thing's a beauty. This elevator was installed in 1971. Go for one more ride. And door closes and push the button on the floor that you're on. These are your fixtures. See, this is almost exactly like the panel I have, except that the white halo are black, other than what you see on here in this video. It's just like that door button and alarm, and also the stop switch is much newer as well. Alright, let's see if we can hear the motor. Nice. Look how 70s building this entire building is. The entire building is original as well. I really love this elevator. Again, I love these fixtures. This is almost exactly similar to the panel that I have at home, except that the white round halo is not white and it's black. That braille is older as well. Just watch it close. Right, there it goes, and that's it.